Hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny. My name is Mary Jane Family. Welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be carrying you guys along on my everyday life. So it's Sunday today. So hey, this boy is disturbing me a lot. So let's dive into the video because they don't want me to talk. Especially a closer. And I say hello. Guys, head. Hey, it's giving you guys no cook. Keep on. So I thought I don't want me to film today. So I say hello, good morning. Say good morning. So guys, I just want to take you guys along on my everyday life, being a mom of four. So this is what I do every day, So first thing I am going to be making toast bread for the girls. They say that they want toast bread. So I'm going to be making toast bread for them.
Got me coming back for more, even when I've been school. Dolls full of pins, here's my heart. Got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's
You guys having two teeth. Show them your teeth. Show them your teeth.
when I'm with you.
Say hello.
I feel like
Say hi.
sitting there gaslighting me, confusing.
You're having
Was it me? Is it me?
hi. Say hi.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my
Look at
heart's
this one we
been
are going to have
wounded.
today. We are going to have
Silhouettes
today
of you like
for lunch. It's a kakoffe puree.
what you want.
It's a potato puree. That's what we are going to have.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
And these are all the stuff that I'm going to use. This one is cream. So this is what I am going to use. Take it back. Take it back. Leave them and you are giving it to them. Louis, eat the bread. So guys, I want to also make my breakfast also. So this is what I'm going to have. That's what I'm going to have, but I will make a Lipton tea on it now. So see you guys later when I'm back to cook, So see you guys. Bye. First I say bye. First our body is hot a bit because of the teeth. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. First I say bye. Say bye. See you guys later. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
I want to start slicing.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, here's my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I
So I want to start slicing the onion, carrot.
So if I play dead, will you regret
I don't
everything
want
that
to
you
do
did,
this one.
that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing.
Be using this place because it's better, you know. It's better because this one is going to take a lot of time today. So let's try with this bigger size.
I'm the one who's always
It's
sorry
okay like this.
even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you.
So guys, we are done slicing
Along with you, I never
the
feel
carrots,
I wasn't struck
bell pepper, and
saw you, I knew
broccoli,
I'm with you, I
and this is the fresh we are going to be using, and the fresh is remaining this one. So we have to slice this.
never really noticed what you want.
So we are going to be putting in oil.
Feel the sweat inside my palms.
So this oil is okay. This is enough. It's enough now.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
So
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
So this one is giving me a happy hand because we want to learn. Can you guys see how it is? So whenever I'm cooking with this bell pepper, my children love eating it a lot. They'll be taking it one. You see, they love it a lot, you know. So it's magic one.
Everyone is working about inside the film.
Way back a year
They're
ago.
talking about something that
Time to add broccoli. So time to add in our bell pepper. It's not just like onions. This one I just want.
Going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call it. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all
So much bonnet pepper.
nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes.
add 500 milligram water, instructional 4 grams of this one of salt for 1 and 1 spoon or 2 spoons, 1 spoon, and put it inside the water and let the water boil.
Time.
Then you have to put cold milk.
Nice, yeah, it's not cold milk. It's this thing, what do they call it?
Right, cold milk.
Yeah, when you want cold milk. But we are going to use what
No,
do they call
Please
it?
don't say
Cream.
that small.
Yeah. That's good.
I drink it today.
This is crayfish. Oh,
I washed it so we can use it to measure.
no.
Okay.
Don't worry, we'll measure it with our test.
Measure that.
Okay. taken. This is the pot we are going to use to make our potato puree. Yes, Christopher? Potato puree. So I've on it. We are yet to check on it. Salt. Vai pro vidor. So it's boiling, guys. We have to turn it. I mean, it's okay. I think we should put again. Open that one. You know, I'm your mother, so I know how to do the thing. When I'm telling you, you believe me. You see, it's okay. You can say it's enough. It's okay, it's cigar. Bring that. They don't do it with water. So guys, this is it. Yeah? It's okay, it's because of the butter. I'll show you we are saying cook it. They don't cook it so much. So you are saying cook it, cook it. Bring bowl, yeah? The meat should done very well. And the broccoli. So if the broccoli is not done, so my children don't eat. Should I put it here?
Yes. Mommy, can I stop him to eat?
Wait, I'm bringing it to the table.
Directly by the side. Directly by the side. That's the Mama. That's a stop. Yeah.
It's okay? Can you finish it?
Yes, it's enough.
So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below. Bye and stay safe.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. So this is the end of today's video, today's vlog. You know, support your guys for subscribing, you know.
It's my time.
Support me to subscribe. Oh. Okay, yes.